someone who works in the industrial, manufacturing, construction, and or logistics industry, you could be maximizing your ROI with a microsite. Now, I know you're probably thinking, what the hell is a microsite? Well, it's essentially a mini website of 2 to 3 pages designed with a specific goal in mind. So, hi, my name is Blythe, and I'm the founder of Brumleve Brands, where we build websites with an inbound marketing focus rooted in your business goals. So today, I'm going to show you why a microsite should be the first thing you budget for when it comes to a marketing plan. Why? Let's dive in. Now, a few reasons of why you should consider a microsite is because they're usually cheaper than a redesign or a rebrand. And whenever you're going through a rebrand or a redesign of a website, there's a lot of red tape that you usually have to jump through. You have to get it approved by 27 different managers. The CEO has a word, as they rightfully should. And a bunch of different people want to put their hands in the same pot, and what you end up with is a lot of chiefs but not enough Indians. So a microsite is a way that you can take 2 to 3 pages with a specific goal in mind and approach your management or your leadership team about why you should move forward with a smaller microsite versus a large company rebrand, which takes a very long time, and like I said, you got to jump through a lot of red tape for it. So now let's get into some specific examples for high performing websites that we've developed in the past for our clients. First up on the list is conference events and collateral. How many times have you been at a conference and you get one of those goodie bags and you walk around the conference floor and you're handed pamphlets and brochures from companies all over the place? You get back to the hotel, you don't want to look at it, you're tired. So you take it and you put it right in the trash and you never look at it again. Or you could be the person on the other side of things where you're actually on the trade show floor and you're working the conference and you're doing everything you're supposed to do. You hand that packet to someone else and you see them walk a few feet and throw that packet right in the trash. It sucks, it's demoralizing, but most of all, you probably didn't get their contact information. Maybe you got a business card, and if you did, that's good too. But what you could have done instead is created a microsite with that brochure information right on the website, and it's presented in the exact same way. Maybe it's tweaked a little bit, but what you're doing is instead you're signing up the user with their email address, and so you're sending that digital brochure to them immediately. And after you send that digital brochure, hopefully you listened to our last video where we talked about tracking website visitors that you've collected their information and loaded them up into our CRM. Hopefully you've collected that information and now you can see if that prospective client or customer is checking out your website, is checking out your microsite, is looking at the different service offerings that you have. That's a key advantage whenever you're going to these conferences and trade shows. And being that you have a microsite, it's much easier to prove to the boss that, hey, I went to a conference and I spent $2,000 at this conference, but I got $10,000 out of this new client the following month after that. So that's a way that you can prove direct return on investment specifically from a microsite. Now, the next way you can use a microsite is for digital contracts and signatures, because onboarding new employees, applications, or more specifically in the trucking industry, you can use this as to ease the process of onboarding new carriers, drivers, agents, customers. Basically, any paperwork that you're routinely doing in the office or routinely filling out or asking your customers to fill out can be turned into an online document. And when you turn it into an online document, you're saving paper costs, you're saving office supply costs, and you're saving, more importantly, time, because you're automating processes that you're already doing. Next up on the list is a bid alert system. Construction company needs bids from area vendors such as truck rentals and direct emails to sign up for the service that you provide. So whenever you need to enter a project bid quickly, you already have accurate information from your vendors at the push of a button. This can easily be done on any microsite, which again is only 2 to 3 pages long. Now you can use a company like Brumleve Brands to develop a microsite for you, or if you have someone that's tech savvy in your office enough, what you could do is have them set up a separate web domain for you and work with the marketing department in order to create a few landing pages. As long as the marketing or sales team is giving that tech savvy person some directions on the ultimate goal that they want to achieve. This could be collecting leads, automating a time-consuming process, or really anything that helps your company work smarter, not harder, with less hoops to jump through. That's the benefit of a microsite. You don't have to go through a full redesign Redesign to do 3 or create 3 pages for your company. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you'd like to stay updated on how you can make your website work smarter, not harder, hit that subscribe button, because believe me when I say your support means more to me than you'll ever know. Until next time, we'll be back here next week with another video on helping you with your B2B website goals or anything really in the digital media landscape. My name is Blythe, and I consider myself a Renaissance woman in the digital world. And if you want to check out more of my work, just be sure to hit up brumlevebrands.com. Or if you're into sports or another type of avenue, I also do some sports broadcasting as well. You can hit up guysgirl.com too. Thank you guys for watching.